Hello, today we will guide you through how to trade BTC in Exness Mobile App. To get started, open the Exness Mobile App on your device. Make sure the app is fully loaded and that you are on the main screen before moving forward. If you are using the app for the first time that day, give it a moment to refresh your account information so everything displayed is up to date. This helps you avoid confusion when placing a trade. Once you are inside the app, tap on Trade at the bottom of the screen. This section is where you can view available instruments and access the market for placing orders. The bottom menu is designed for quick navigation, so selecting trade will take you directly to the area where you can manage or open positions. After that, look for the BTC symbol and tap on it. This will open the Bitcoin trading instrument so you can begin setting up your order. Take a second here to confirm that you have selected the correct symbol, especially if your app shows multiple crypto instruments or different Bitcoin pair variations. Choosing the right market is an important part of making sure your trade goes where you intend. Next, tap on either sell or buy, depending on the direction you want to trade. If you expect the price of Bitcoin to go down, choose sell. If you expect the price to go up, choose buy. Before tapping, it is always a good idea to pause briefly and make sure your choice matches your trading plan. Even a simple check can help prevent accidental orders. Once you have selected sell or buy, follow the on-screen procedure to complete the trade setup. The app will guide you through the details needed before the order is placed. Review everything carefully on this screen, including the trade direction and any values shown, so you understand exactly what you are confirming. When you are done, tap the confirmation button to finalize your sell or buy order. And that's it. You have now gone through the process of trading BTC in the Exness mobile app. As a final tip, always review your order details before confirming, since crypto prices can move quickly. Taking an extra moment to check your setup can make the process smoother and help you trade with more confidence.